More money, more problems. I ain't tripping, I can solve. I ain't tripping about no bitch. She was sucking, I was nodding. First goal, 100,000. Second.
Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy Big Goon. I'm back at it again with another video. Before we get into the video or whatever, I wanted to show y'all, bro. I wanted to show y'all, bro, a few cops that I had caught. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think, man. Like, I don't really shop like that, but you feel me? I got to get in the jump back right, man. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I had caught. I want y'all to let me know in the comment section what y'all think and what else kind of shit y'all think I should cop. Man, first thing we got, y'all, we got some G Fazos, man. The cleanest in the game. If you ain't got a pair of these, man, I don't know what the fuck you doing, but we caught those, man. We needed some, bro. The other ones, I went to a carnival, matter of fact, and I fucking stuck in a whole puddle of fucking mud and shit. Second caught, man. Shout out to Ross, man. Ross be having some low-key heat, man. I caught the Tommy Hilfiger shirt, man, as y'all can see, man. This bit kind of fire, but guess how much the bit was, bro? Tell me this not a good cop, bro. Tell me that's not a good cop. But we caught that, man. You know what I'm saying? We also got this. It's Nautica shirt, man. The bit real clean, you feel me? So we caught this shirt. Real clean shirt, you feel me? Smooth shirt. Simple shirts. I like simple clothes, y'all. I don't be stepping out the box or whatever too much. You know what I'm saying? We also caught some jeans, bro. Shout out to y'all. Caught some of these jeans. These jeans on sale, these like $30. You know what I'm saying? They're real clean, simple jeans. And yes, bro, if y'all think I'm trying to match this shit together, no, I'm not trying to match this shit together, bro. I promise I'm not. It's just some shit I seen on sale and I just caught. But I hope y'all boys enjoyed the cops I had caught, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about the shit I done caught. Hey, man, this a rich nigga mukbang. Shout out to my nigga Reg from where you from, bro? 305?
Dade County all day.
Man, fuck Dade County. Oh shit.
It don't fall, bro.
My shit, bro. Bro, shut up, bro. You just want to have a mukbang, bro. Man, what up, bro? Hey, we had went to Wing Station today. This shit called Wing Station or Wing Stop, bro.
Wing Station, on ain't no Cali.
Sweet tea. That sweet tea be good as fuck. You try that shit?
That should be on.
Who put you on? Who put you on? Who put you on? Be honest.
My boy Goon put me on that shit. My nigga.
Yeah. You already know, man. Real nigga shit, man. Real niggas do real shit, right?
My little kid.
Small
food for her, man.
You're a jar one of those?
Nah.
Nah,
I look like a motherfucking hamster.
I swear the fuck out that goddamn kill, bro. The bitch I used to fuck with used to have a kill like that.
Oh, yeah?
Should have hit it, that motherfucker. I had the opportunity, but I just didn't do it. I mean, not bad.
Shit, opportunity awaits you, bro, that shit.
Damn, boy, they big. But look, bro. Hey, look, peep this though. I don't even do this shit, but I don't feel like going in there and getting more ketchup. But I don't put ketchup on my French fries. God, motherfucking damn. I don't put ketchup on my French fries like this. I feel like little virgins do that. Really, you're a fucking virgin.
Bitch! Big time virgin, man. You already know what I'm talking about.
Anyway, I got the wrench too. Shout out to Wing Station. I don't know how to snap on that ass today though.
Should have snapped on that.
Huh?
Should have better snapped on that. What's the question she asked you again?
Let me tell you what they did to this shit. They just went to the back and put lemon pepper on this shit. That's fucked up, right? That's fucked up, ain't it?
Nah, I think they got this shit already prepared, man.
No, the fuck they don't, bro. I'm pissed, bro. Shit don't even taste right.
They slacking?
They slacked, bro. They slacked hard on this one. All the other ones hard, but this one just ain't it.
Want me to go rate them on Yelp? Want me to go rate them on Yelp?
What that mean?
That app.
Yeah, go fuck with me.
Rate them a 3.5 today, man. Tell them tighten up.
You know, I'm gonna get them motherfuckers the benefit. I'm gonna tell you why.
What you gonna rate them?
I'm gonna give them the benefit. I'm gonna give them a 4. Let me tell you why.
4 out of 5 ain't bad.
No, it ain't. Cause it's the first time that shit done happen. And then the wings got bigger.
Yeah, that's true. That's fact. Yeah.
Cause they used to have some. A little baby ass wings.
I ain't trying to burn up. This car right quick. No, turn on a Lambo right quick. You feel me? Window down a little bit.
I'm mad, bro. I'm pissed, bro.
At least they fries hot, man.
Man, fuck these hard ass fries, man. These bitches hard. I eat fucking meat, man. I eat meat, Reg. Meat. M-E-A-T. Like, nigga, I like chicken, nigga. Steak, nigga.
Filet mignon, nigga.
I should cut some little Chinese guys out right there. Look at him. Little short motherfucker.
Cause your mom might be shooting freaking Kung Fu your ass, nigga.
You want to hear what my eyes are?
That nigga do look like Bruce Lee. Off the racist shit.
Nah. You think little Chinese motherfucker know how to fight though?
Shit, I see them niggas fight.
Girl. You seen a Chinese nigga fight in real life?
Fuck
Huh?
yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah, that was kicking and shit. You're like a cow, nigga. You cow, nigga. You ain't seen no motherfucking Chinese fight, nigga. Stop playing. Nigga, bro. Ain't lying. But I just seen some baddies walking that was in the Union Station. I walked in there, but
Facts.
I ain't gonna say nothing though.
You ain't gonna put down, bro?
No, bro. I'm scared.
A grown ass man. Fuck wrong with you?
Yo, red man.